Things I wish I knew in my 20s for beautiful skin. Number 1, accept the skin and yourself for who you are. Don't try to be someone else. I always wanted to be darker and more tanned. Now I accept that I'm a pale girl and I love it. Number 2, things you already start doing in your 20s will definitely help you in your 30s, and you will reap the benefits and look probably younger than your younger friends. Number 3, SPF is key. Number 4, you are not fat and you don't have a double chin because of that. You probably have the wrong posture and therefore not the necessary lymphatic drainage. Number 5, you do not have to do Botox in your 30s. Actually continue with your face yoga routine and you will be fine. Number 6, your beauty starts actually in your gut. So try to eat the right things. Honestly, I've did that mistake and I regret it now. Overall, your gut is your second brain. Actually, when you think about it, it looks like a brain, so take care of it. If your gut is not right, your mood is not right, and this is also a huge thing for mental health. And number 7, once you understand that no one is you and no one can be like you, this is where the real true power starts and you become the most beautiful version of yourself. So start liking and loving yourself and take care of yourself.